Lucy Jane comes to Casper College from Clark, Wyoming. She's majoring in journalism, communications, and holds 2 work-study jobs that allows her to gain photography skills in the public relations office and develop strong interpersonal skills. Lucy Jane, we cannot wait to hear what you've been up to. Please take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Hey everyone. When I first applied to Casper College, my main goal was to be closer to my boyfriend. However, I quickly fell in love with Casper because of the amazing hands-on learning opportunities and portfolio building that would prepare me for a successful journalism and mass media career. Casper College is giving me skills and a strong portfolio that will give me a competitive edge after graduation. Many of these are thanks to my 2 work-study jobs and the school newspaper. Working in public relations, I get to document and bring to life all the outstanding events on campus through athletic live streams and photography for campus events, ranging from theater productions to wildlife biology labs. Public relations is helping my photography skills flourish and teaching me important skills, especially quick problem solving. Working in student life is strengthening my interpersonal skills and offering opportunities to build my portfolio through event photography and social media management. The school newspaper, the Chinook, allows me to wear the many hats of a journalist. I keep my writing and interviewing skills sharp with every story and learn newspaper layout and design. But my all-time favorite part is planning, shooting, and designing photo stories. CC is large enough to provide a variety of hands-on learning opportunities, while still being small enough that every student can take advantage of those opportunities. There's a wide range of hands-on learning opportunities, whether it be an on-campus work-study job or practical classes. While I came here for a boy, I stayed for the outstanding opportunities that are preparing me for a media career right after graduation. This has been Lucy Jane Crimm with your College Tour Review. Thank you, and back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Lucy Jane. It is easy to see why you love Casper College. And thank you for telling us about your work-study opportunities and working on the student newspaper, the Chinook. Best of luck in all your future endeavors. That was great.